Neapolitan-style eggplant parmigiana, a recipe rich in flavor. Remove the stem and slice the eggplants lengthwise. Layer the eggplant slices in a colander, adding a pinch of coarse salt to each layer. Place a plate and a weight on top of the eggplants and let them rest for about an hour to help release their excess water. Rinse the eggplants to remove the salt. Dry the eggplant slices. Heat oil in a pan. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and whisk them. Coat the eggplant slices in flour, then dip them into the eggs. Fry in hot oil, a few at a time, until golden on both sides. In another pot, heat a drizzle of oil, add 2 garlic cloves, and the tomato sauce. Add salt, basil, and cook for 20 minutes. Assemble the parmigiana. Spread a little sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Make a layer of fried eggplants. Add some diced mozzarella. Sprinkle with Parmigiano, add more sauce, and start layering again. On the final layer, only add a generous amount of Parmigiano. Bake in a preheated static oven at 180°C350F for 25 minutes. Once the Neapolitan eggplant parmigiana is cooked, take it out of the oven and let it rest for 2 hours before serving. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.